Hey guys, today I'm going to walk you through how to get your Roblox user ID. It's pretty quick and simple. Let's jump in. Right now I'm on the app, but what we want to do is to get out of the app. You can't find the user ID on the app. What you want to do is get out of here and go to roblox.com, and then once you're there, you're going to hit continue in browser. And this just doesn't let your phone go straight back to the app where we were. Once here, it's going to load. Next thing you want to do is go ahead and click the top on your username. And from here, all you have to do is hit the roadblocks. And then right next to a user here, you're going to have this number. And this number is your user ID. It's specific to you, and only your account has it. So you can go ahead and just copy that and you can paste it wherever you need, wherever you want to show somebody your user ID so they can find you. But that's how you do it. That's your specific user ID. You can cancel that and then you can paste it anywhere and people can find you. If you guys have any questions on that, let us know in the comments below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.